kind of walk through the most recent OTA software update over the air and a couple of new features that I seem to be impressed by. Let's start with, there is a new gauge sweep animation on startup, so I'm going to see if I can get that to activate right now. Yep, there you go. The gauges have swept. That looks pretty cool. One of the next things that I'm going to show you is a new driver display. It is just a blank and minimal display. So you have your typical map navigation display here on your driver cluster. You also have this one right here, but then you have this one. It is blank except for your speed and your power consumption. Thought that was pretty interesting as well. So next on my list, convenience of life feature that I wanted to kind of display and show is down here. We have two individual buttons now for heated seats. This still pops up a little sub menu where you can select just the backrest or backrest and base of the seat, and then you can also quickly select cooled seats. Previously, all of these functions were built into a single pop-up menu, and this just eliminates one of those steps. Very convenient and handy. This feature has been around, I believe, but I have found more use out of it, but it is a quick access controls button right down here on the screen. Quickly access all of your features right here, including crab walk. Xing out of that. The garage door button is somewhat fixed. If I shift into drive right now, you'll see that the cameras pop up. The garage door button is still here, and then it still moves back down to here. There is no more glitching back and forth between the two spots. It is activated upon the cameras being activated. Once the cameras activate, shows you this additional information. Your garage door button is now here. If the cameras are away, your button is here. Somewhat fixes the issue, but still not acceptable to me to have that button move back and forth. You have this button here, smart controls button, garage door, one pedal driving, power base, some quick access stuff. Now let's get to the exciting stuff. So here's the exciting stuff. We have a whole suite of new streaming apps. Look, you can see I have Prime Video, I've got YouTube, I've got Peacock, I've got Beach Buggy Racing version 2. You just go into your Play Store. Pass Time While Parked is a good one. You can explore all apps. Funny enough, YouTube does not come up unless you search for it here. So you have to type in YouTube, and then the application pops up right here, and you can click it, go ahead and install it. And this works fantastically. It's lightning fast. I can go ahead and open the app. This is what I was most recently watching. It's the Pat McAfee show. It is all touchscreen controls, minimize. I can come back to my account here, go to my subscriptions, yeah, it's fantastic. All of your normal features are right here. So all of your subscriptions are right up here. You can click this button, scroll over, see everything that you might be subscribed to. It's great. There are no issues that I see. Here's the Rivian page. Pops right up. It is this fast no matter where I've tested it around Ventura County. It's fantastic. The next thing that I have to show is the Chrome beta. That's fantastic because anything that doesn't have a streaming app, now you have quick access to Chrome, and I can click on Disney Plus. I can quickly log in, which I've pre-done, and it will show me all of my content that I would like to watch. I think that's relatively slick and fast. Super convenient. Quickly play something here, don't get copyrighted, and see where this goes. But you can also go full screen in this mode as well. You're not going to have all this surrounding stuff, but you can go to just a full screen. Now these features only work while you're parked, yeah, it's still nice to have while you're charging, waiting at kid pickup or drop off, or just killing time before a meeting. It's great to have this built right into the functionality of the screen. You can have different Chrome tabs open, which is also great. So close out of that. Turn signal activated view is the next thing on my list. So if you are in drive and you're driving down the road and you're just following your maps and you're going right along to everything, and you put your blinker on, boom, you have a turn signal activated view right here in the middle screen. It shows you your blind spot using the side mirror camera. I can put my left turn signal on and you can see that camera as well. It is just a fantastic, fast operation, and I love it. Other features include map updates. Something I found very useful here are the battery percentage estimate upon arrival. These are a new feature within Google Maps, the system itself. I really like that. We also have this feature right here. This is an EV Maps filter, so you can filter the map to show you charging stations based on your preferences. You can also click here, which is a nice charging button. You can see if they are open. You can filter by payment method. I believe some of these features existed previously, but still a fantastic upgrade to the system. Absolutely love that as well. Let's see. Volume indicator. So this is a quick change. Say you're playing some content. I don't want to get copyrighted right here, but this change, now the color is slightly different, but you have this button right here. This button is a quick access menu to adjust the volume for audio volume, ringtone volume, phone volume, voice volume, and navigation volume, all independently right here. Awesome button to have built in. It pops right up as soon as you adjust the volume. Love that. Now, the last thing that I will show you is how to activate Android Advanced Developer Settings. So you come in here to your settings, you come down to System, you go to About Android, and here's your build number. You click this several times, repeatedly tapping, and it will pop up on your screen right here. You are now 3 steps away from becoming a developer. 2 steps, 1 step. Now I am a developer. What that does is that opens a new menu. If I scroll down here, there are now developer options. I can open this, but got to be in park, and I can come down here and see various different features. You can also turn this right back off if you got it there by accident. 13 gigabytes of total system memory, desktop backup, password, stay awake, enable Bluetooth, snooping, picture color mode. I can come down here and change the animation durations, all of the stuff within a normal Android tablet. This is awesome. Love to see this. Don't mess with anything. Kind of enter at your own risk. We don't want to brick your car. This is something that you need to drive around on a daily basis, I'm assuming. So that is the quick and dirty version of the updates that are available in the Sierra EV, and I absolutely love it.